Welcome to my channel. I was recording from another camera phone, but the battery died. I just took it out of the box. It's a big box. I didn't open it yet, but I'll open it right now. And this is the receipt that I got in the mail with it. Okay, let's open this box. It's one of the big magnetic closure box. So let's open it. See what I got today. Okay. This is the dust cloth. Not sure how you pronounce it. I think it's the Nice or Nice. English is probably pronounced Nice. And French probably Nice. I'm not sure. There it goes. So cute and pretty. There's my baby. It's a little bit wrinkled on this side. This is the other side. This is the bottom. There's no feet in the bottom. The top handle has Louis Vuitton Paris. Okay, let's open it. So hard with one hand. Let's see. I haven't opened it yet. It's my first time. We're unboxing this together. Don't mind the music in the background. Is my baby. She's on her swing, listening to the music and making a little bit baby noise. It's difficult to open it with one hand. I'm trying, almost there. Okay, it's open. This is how it looks like. The top with the zipper. So there's a little zipper pocket here. Has a book hook. Okay, some bubble wrap. And this has a pocket right here. Another two pocket right here. And this is the same material as cleanable material in the cosmetic pouch. So let's see what this say here. This is made in Italy. And this is the inside of it. Okay. I'm not sure the date stamp. I'm not sure where it is. But once I find it, I'll post it in my description. So this is how it looks like. It's the side of it. It's a little wrinkle. And this is the other side. It's a little cute little pouch to put your makeup on in it. In it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.